What's up, guys? Welcome to Crown Rick Auto. Another hot, smoky day here at the yard. But I'm super excited because the railroad police whacker is going to be stopping by to show off his new goodies and give us an update on his police impersonating shenanigans. For those who don't know, this guy is a straight wannabe railroad cop who lives in his sketchy vehicle and actually patrols the railroad property and hands out his own tickets and even makes citizens arrest, all while not being employed by the railroad police. And I know what you're thinking, how is this even legal? Well, he found some type of loophole to keep him out of trouble. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna have him explain this whole thing. You want to explain to me?
I'm employed by the city. I'm not officially employed by the railroad. I just kind of stick around their property because you see the way the California state laws work is that you cannot be pretending to be an officer on public property, but the railroads are within their own private property because they own their own land. So as long as I post up on their property and look for people that are stupid and doing things that they aren't supposed to be doing, I can yell at them.
Okay. And did I mention this guy has a straight up train horn attached to his trunk? I swear, you cannot make this stuff up. In the meantime, while we wait for the railroad cop to show up, let me show you what's new to the movie car. I added LED bulbs. I added cruiser window bars. We're still in the process of tidying up this choice center console. I even added this cup holder right here. And huge shout out to all my channel members. I ordered this sticker paper. As soon as it arrives, I'm gonna print out every single one of my channel members' names. So if you want to get in, become a channel member. Here's a sneak peek at the next car that I'm searching. This thing is full of goodies. Video should be available very soon. I also been working on the Vegas project. I just installed the proper DNR center console. Video coming real soon. While we wait, let me show you what a Crown Vic with muffler delete sounds like. Oh no, this is a big no-no. See, as you can see, the mufflers are missing these straight pipes going to the end over there. Sounds like a hot rod. Drive! Send it! Yeah. Okay. So the hat, so you don't look homeless. The hat makes you look even more homeless.
Fuck off.
Oh, he fires back. All right, he's changed. The railroad police whacker, aka his real name is Taylor. He is here to give us an update on his 2007 Ford Crown Vic police interceptor, aka railroad police whacker. All right, so since the last time I saw you, it looks like you got some new signatures from Vacaville Police Department. He has some CHP. It looks like you got a new light bar here. All right, turn it on for us real quick. Sweet, old school. What type of light bar is this?
So this is an early 80s, I want to say Federal Signal Jet Sonic. Yes.
Sweet, and that looks like a speaker right there.
So in the early days, this is where the siren speaker used to be, but after research and cops going deaf and complaining, the siren speaker was relocated from the roof of the vehicle to the public view.
Yeah, which makes sense. This is super cool though, not gonna lie. And do you have any sounds?
No sounds.
No sounds in here? Okay. He's got some new pipes coming out of this.
Lake pipes.
What type of pipes?
These are called lake pipes.
Lake
for
pipes.
all of you old school people. Keeping this motor separated chamber, it sounds like a push rod motor.
Nice. Start it up. Let's hear it.
Okay.
Yeah, that sounds pretty badass. Okay, so before I fully search his vehicle, just want to, kind of want to catch up with you. What's new since the last time I seen you? Okay, so demonstrate to me if there was a criminal committing a crime right there, what would you do?
On the ground, freeze! I want you on the fucking ground, you piece of ignorant piece of shit!
Just like that?
I mean, pretty close.
Okay.
No longer homeless. You're gonna have to censor this nest line, but I sucked enough dick to get my job back. Back working at the auction.
Oh, nice.
I'm engaged. I have a marriage license. We're aiming for October. And it's a girl. For all you people out there, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to see it in the comments.
So you're no longer living in the railroads.
No.
You're no longer homeless.
We bought a house.
What? This man is doing better than me. Like this guy, last time I saw him, no girl, homeless, no job. Now he's got all three.
Full-time, medical benefits, engaged, got a house, not renting.
Nice. Wow, that's dope, man. I'm really glad to see that. Make sure you give Taylor a thumbs up. All right, so let's start from the outside and then we're gonna work our way in the inside. This looks like a Go Rhino push bar.
From Stockton Police Department.
Looks like this guy is still hanging in there.
Yeah, he's been along the ride for a long time. It's almost 4 years. Actually, I celebrated my birthday Tuesday, so I've had this car for 4 years. So.
Oh, you just had a birthday?
August 17th, Tuesday.
Oh, nice.
So
happy birthday.
To me.
Yeah.
Also, I got a fiance. You need to do better.
Yeah, this guy, he's left me in the dust. Looks like we have Atlas sound. So check this out right here. This is pretty freaking cool. Warning, car may explode. I built this myself. That's pretty clever right here. All right, let's take a look inside. Let's see what this guy he's got. Some junior officer stickers. Oh, looks like he needs to clean this thing up. It's probably from years hanging out at the railroads playing cops. It's good to see people move up in life. This is what controls the light bar. Hit the switches, starts it all up. Sure enough, in his PA right there.
It's functional. I said blow me. Faster.
His wallet. Oh, let's see if he's got any money. Nah, I'm just kidding. This is pretty US telegraph. Let's see what's in the other side. I like how he just lets me go through his whole car. Wheeling amber lights. This car is so dirty. I guess old habits die hard. Tree branch. Oh yeah, it's all there. Help me! Help me! So I noticed the train horn is missing. What's up with that?
So I'm gonna use that for events or like if I know we're gonna run into each other.
Yeah.
I bring it.
But you just do it just for
every day. Go to work. It lives at my house.
Okay, cool.
There's no need for it.
Right, gotcha. All right. What type of rear deck light is this?
So that's a Code 3 narrow stick, and I got that for $20 with the controller off of a Go 4 Interceptor from San Francisco from auction.
Sick. Classic.
Okay, let me turn it on for you.
Yeah.
So it's got 3 different patterns.
Nice. All right, and it's all being controlled through. That's awesome. Cool. Hey, this thing actually has like idle hours, running hours?
So this control box came out of a utility truck from auction. Bought it from the dude that bought the truck because he bought a non-op truck with a blown-up motor and he didn't need the control box. This was a PTO control box. Notice how he says master, PTO, work lights, brake, and all that, or spare. Really, this is master power, and then this is the main rotators. This is the rear flashers, and the main power only controls those two. This is the front takedown, left and right.
All right, pop your trunk.
Oh, this is what I'm excited for.
Yeah? Oh, you're excited for the trunk?
I actually made it look nice.
All right. Oh.
I have a real air tank that's bolted down.
Uh-huh.
My tire kind of fell out because I was driving like a dick getting here. But
Yeah.
I have subs.
Bump it. Hell yeah. For official use only. Oh,
Hey,
thanks.
you looked.
You looked. All right, man. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. It's good to hear from you. What are some of the things that you plan on adding to this car?
A horn that works.
Oh, your horn doesn't work? Your regular horn? Oh, okay.
This thing has withstood fucking 135 mile an hour winds.
Oh, wow. So you drove that fast before?
Hey, fuck!